दोतोर सुरवात तुमचे कडच्यान करता कारण आनी मागीर राजकीय पक्षा म्हऱ्या वता. तुमी जेन्ना हो वाद पळयतात तो वाद पळोवन तुमकां दिसता की आमकां हो वाद आज घालपाचो अधिकार उरला काय आमी गमोवन बसल्यात?
ना, अधिकार आसा, but to analyze Bau or to analyze anything from a historical perspective, of course अधिकार आसा. पण म्हणपाक की आमचें आज राजकारण अशें चलता ज्या पद्दतीन भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरान पळयलें की एनविसाज केलें, जावं भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर जावं जॅक सिक्वेरा की जावं हे सगळे वरिश्ठ नेता जे आशिल्ले पळय ते, तांचो एक विजन आशिल्लो गोंया खातीर. म्हाका दिसता की आज राजकारण म्हणल्यार कांयच चलना गोंयांत. आज फक्त धंदो चलता. पूर्ण राजकारणान अक्रॉस द पॉलिटिकल स्पेक्ट्रम very few people are there who are genuinely interested in social work, who are genuinely interested in some kind of a vision of Goa. Sadhya, everybody is in the political formation, one, to get elected on whatever issue it is, whether it is on the Congress ticket, whether it's on the Goa Forward ticket, or AAP ticket, or BJP ticket, whatever. And then the moment they get elected, that's going to happen in 2027, the moment they get elected from their constituency, whatever is the issues that they bring up, they will eventually want to go and hug the BJP. Because at the center, you will still have a BJP government in 2027. So in all likelihood, even if BJP gets 2 seats in Goa, they will form the government in Goa. And everyone will be jumping for the exit gates to try and join that political formation. This is something that Bhausaheb Bandodkar or Jack Sequeira would, or any of the great leaders we have read about.
The old guard, you are saying.
Old guard, or who basically founded Goa, would not even dream of doing. So at the moment, our politics is pure business. It's not politics at all. So to use Bhausaheb's name itself from the lips of all these politicians makes one completely sick.